Coming up next on Morning Dayton.
Lucy here. I just married your favorite weatherman, Sunny Steve, and now I'm here in Dayton to help you find romance.
Good morning, and welcome to this week's episode of Lucy Knows Love. My guest today is...
My name's Christian.
Christian? And what do you do, Christian?
I'm actually a bird expert.
Wow.
Yeah, I work at Puppies and More in the mall.
Oh, that place with the puppies in the window.
Yeah.
Do not buy animals from a pet store, and please spay and neuter your pets.
Okay.
Christian, what is your dating question for me?
I don't actually have a dating question. I have a bird. I thought I was coming on Bird Chat. Do you know the segment? It's a really great segment.
Yeah, everybody knows Bird Chat, Christian. Everybody knows Bird Chat.
Bird Chat.
Okay, here at Lucy Knows Love, we roll with the punches. So I am going to ask you some questions, Birdman. Are you single?
I'm actually married.
Okay. How's that going?
3 years.
Yeah?
Jenny. Hi, Jenny.
Hey, Jenny.
It's really going great, actually. We're like a really special couple.
Oh, yeah?
We really love each other and support each other, and
That's great.
we've been through all kinds of things.
And
But she's always
sometimes you
there for
don't
me.
like each other, right? Because that's how marriage is. Sometimes you like them, sometimes you really don't.
No, I love Jenny.
Yeah, but not all the time, because it's a marriage, you know.
No, all
Changes.
All the time. I love you, Jenny.
Okay. What does Jenny do?
Jenny, so Jenny's doing something new, actually. She's in nursing school, and we're really proud of her.
It's hard to start new things.
It is, but she's found a way, and I'm here supporting her, and we're working a couple extra shifts.
Okay, well, let's say that Jenny, was having a hard time starting her new thing. Would you support her then, like all the time, even when maybe last episode wasn't the perfect episode? Would you do that?
I would always support Jenny, but I don't. She's in nursing school. I don't.
Yeah. Everyone knows that Jenny's a nurse. Okay, well, let's ask you some more questions. Like, does your family live really close to where you live with Jenny?
Yeah.
Like, do they stop by all the time without being invited?
Well, my mother-in-law lives really
Your
close to me.
mother-in-law. That's a pain in the butt, isn't it?
No, I really love my mother-in-law. She's actually one of the best people I know.
Okay, but does she come over and knock on the door and be like, oh, you're folding Stevie's underwear wrong? Does she do that?
Who's Stevie? I don't.
Christian, you said that you brought a bird with you.
Yeah, I brought Paps.
I would love
here.
to see the bird now.
Now?
Now, I would love to see the bird. Go and get it now.
Like just
Now.
Okay. I really like to sing songs, and I guess.
Hey, Dayton, is there something else you'd like to watch right now? Let us know. Visit the website and take the poll.